Morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, depending on where you are watching me from. How you are doing, Stacy fam? I'm going to be unboxing first impression plus camera testing today, guys. So guys, this is it. This is my package. This is my how do I call it? I don't know. So I got it this morning and I decided to unbox it and share it with you guys because I've really seen a lot of videos doing review about this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So I said let me also share it with my family on YouTube. So guys, this is it's like when I take this thing off, the camera is kind of blurry or something, so I'm just going to come to this side. Okay, I think from the company or something, though it's written in Spanish. This is the clear cover, nothing else inside, guys. Just this and the cover. So guys, this is my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yay! So this is it, guys. This is the case. You guys can see that it's kind of slimmer. So it's sealed. We are just going to open it right here. So let me bring this out. Wow, look guys, I actually ordered the Phantom Silver. So let's see how it looks. So I'm just going to take this out. So guys, and I'm just going to take this out as well. Then right here they have another cover that I'm just going to take out. So here is my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So guys, this is how it looks. You see clearly. I have a micro SD card. Okay, so when you are buying this phone, if you are that type that used to occupy too much space in your phone and you usually use a micro SD card, you might not want to get this phone because it doesn't have it. This phone, guys, I bought it for 1,309 euros. Okay, so it doesn't have micro SD card, which I think is the company fail. I won't lie, because I love it when you're actually using a phone and you can also support it, the space, with micro SD card. But the good thing, because guys, I'm actually a fan of a good camera. Okay, so I love good camera, and because of my editing and all that, I'm actually using Samsung, but I'm using that phone Huawei. That is, the camera is really nice, which I'm using for my recording. It's what I'm using right now. So I said, okay, let me just buy this phone since I saw a lot of review about the camera is good, especially when you want to vlog and for people that are doing videos and all that. So I said, okay, let me get it. That was the major reason I bought this one. So this is what is inside. So guys, this is what is inside the box. As you can see, it has the SIM card ejector right here. So let me just open it and see what's inside. So it has the, you know what this is, guys? This is USB cord. So what I wanted to say, guys, this phone, it doesn't come with charger. In fact, for the fact that they had USB cord doesn't make it a complete package. It doesn't come with a charger, but when I was ordering the phone, I was asked to pay 24 euros for the adapter. I'm using Samsung and I have that head adapter at home. I will just use this USB cord. So that's another company fail, guys. Samsung now they are beginning to imitate iPhone, okay, because I heard iPhone they don't usually come with charger or whatsoever, so it just USB. So I don't know how true is that, call. I've never used iPhone in my life, but I'm trying to imitate them. So what I think, guys, they are just trying to make more money. Now that they brought only the USB cord, for sure I'm going to get that adapter, which is going to be separate money. You see, they just want to make extra earning. So that's it, guys. So for my unboxing, so guys, I'm going to show you about the camera. Like, I'm going to do the camera testing. Actually, see, you know, one thing I love about the camera, guys, you can actually, it has 10 times zoom. Like, you can zoom that, you know, sometimes when you zoom with your phone, it will not be clear, it will look a little bit blurry or something. But with this phone, guys, with the review that I've seen so far, they said when you zoom it, like, you see it clear the way it is, and the camera is a bomb. A lot of people have actually, even those using iPhone 12 plus, they've actually testified to this camera. So that's the major reason I bought it, guys. So for those of you, those ministers of advisor, I don't need you, don't come for me, I'm not feeling fine, so I did not use your money, okay? Like I was saying, I'll be going to do the camera testing, and I will also show you guys, and you guys will let me know what you think. But another good thing, guys, so they actually told me that once I receive the phone, I should there's a site I should log in, like, to claim. It has hairboard, it's free, and also another tracker that is also free, but it has to be when you receive the phone. If you are making a pre-order between now till February 28th in Spain, you can actually you have the chance to get the airboard and also the track. I don't know, okay, but I know about this S21 and the S20 plus. So since mine is S21 Ultra, so I'm going to, now that I have it with the receipt, and I'm just going to log into the site to claim my airboard pro and also the tracker, okay? So guys, as you can see, the camera, it has a single take. This one is when you are actually recording, it can just be taking pictures for you. Then it has the photo, it has the video, and the camera, guys, is really nice. See, guys, so then right here, guys, it has AR Dodo, which I don't really know what that is. Food, night, portrait, wherever. See, guys, another thing that I love about this phone, when you want to do a slow-mo video, like, which is amazing. So I really love it that it has iPhone users, they usually have this slow-mo in their iPhone, but with this kind of upgraded app that Samsung they've added to their phones, which is making the phone to be really more interesting and amazing, okay, guys. So it has let me see, hyperlapse. So guys, this one too is something that I love. Like when you are taking a video, you know, when the video is very fast, as if you are just fast forwarding the video. So this is what makes it to be very fast, so which is also amazing. Or you're thinking about upgrading or changing your phone, this phone is really amazing. Apart from the fact that it doesn't come with charger, it doesn't have an external micro SD card, so notwithstanding, it's still amazing, okay. And there's something I wanted to show you guys, display. So guys, you actually have this one to protect your eye, for your night mode and all. You can see the cameras, okay, guys. So I ordered this one, okay, on AliExpress. So one good thing about it is, guys, it's a Bluetooth tripod and selfie stick. So let me show you guys what I really love about it. Like, in case if you want to do a recording, you can just stand this on your table, then you place your phone right here. You see, you can actually manipulate this. So this is how it is. You just place it on your table, then you put your phone right here. So this one right here, you can actually bring it out to be able to hold your phone. So it's really nice, and for your camera also, like you can make it longer. Okay, I think that's all. Then you can make it shorter when you want to vlog. You can just put your phone right here. So I'm just going to show you guys example. It's really nice, right? I can actually still place it on my table like this. You can see how gorgeous it looks. So that will be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you enjoyed unboxing my phone with me, guys. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.